Hey, 1065 here, and today in the Robo Hospital, we have a bunch of robots that recently had came in. Lots of V2s, the Medias, Roboquads, Rex, a few Raptors, and some Jobots. So, they all belong to different people. One of the big lots that was dropped out was actually for ProjectNova0. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all remember him as the guy who used to do rewires on V2s as well. We both used to do them. We don't do them together anymore. But that's not the point here. So this is actually one of his robots. This is a black with silver Roboraptor, or as I call it, the reverse black silver raptor, that he's had since he was a kid. And it's in need of lots of work. It needs a lot of cleaning. And the board either needs to be repaired or replaced, which I do have a spare raptor for that purpose, but I'm going to try and fix the board before I decide to replace it. So he did take this apart at one point to fix it. And one of the things that happened is when he was connecting the connectors back into the board, he connected the motor one. Yeah, no, he connected the battery connector to the leg motor slot. And so, you know what that happens? It energized that slot and it fried it. So one leg doesn't move. And I don't have good batteries at the moment to do a proper test run. But this is all it does right now. Hardly moves and it can't even walk. The legs don't even move either, but everything else tries to function. Yeah, these guys are absolute garbage. Okay, that's enough. You don't have to suffer more. Okay, you can stop suffering. But you get the point. I'm going to restore this, clean it up, and fix it best I can. So stay tuned, and let's hope that this little dude will be fully working. See you in the next vid.